In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link into Lucidchart. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, linking is an incredibly useful feature that enhances your charts by bringing external context directly into your design. Let's dive in and make linking a breeze. First, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser. Type in Lucidchart or go directly to their website by entering lucid.co in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see a login button prominently displayed. Click on that to proceed. If you aren't already logged into your account, don't worry, this is quick and easy. The next screen provides several login options. For today's demonstration, we'll go ahead and use the Sign Up with Google option. This method is convenient and secure, especially if you're already using Google services. If you haven't connected your Lucidchart account with Google yet, simply follow the prompts to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is your control center where all your recent projects are listed. Go ahead and open the project you wish to edit by clicking on the Open button. This will load your chosen diagram right where you left off. With your project open, navigate to the text element where you want to insert a link. Click on the text so it becomes active. This is where we highlight some text that will eventually become our clickable link. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the text to select it. Now for the shortcut enthusiasts out there, press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. This shortcut opens a dialog box where you can input your desired URL. If you're a Mac user, remember that you'll want to use Command+K instead. In the dialog box, type or paste the link you want to attach. Be sure to double check the URL for any typos. You don't want a broken link after all. After entering the URL, click the Apply button to confirm your link. This action will hyperlink your text, allowing it to be clicked and redirect users to the specified address. Finally, the last step is to ensure everything is working smoothly by clicking on the link you've just created. If it redirects you to the right web page without any issues, congratulations, you've successfully added a link to your Lucidchart. With this skill in your toolkit, your diagrams can now serve as dynamic, interactive blueprints. Not only will this help in organizing your ideas, but it will also enhance collaboration with teammates by providing easy access to relevant resources. Keep exploring other features Lucidchart has to offer as you become more comfortable and efficient in expressing your creative ideas visually.